Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com. My name is Shoaib. I'm the voice behind all the videos that you see on this website as well as our official YouTube channel, youtube.com/PMCLounge. Subscribe to us. We are all about project management, PMP, PMI-ACP, any other project management related certifications that you can find out there. In this video, I wanted to take up a comment which it is basically a question which came in as a comment on one of our videos, and you will see it on your screen now. It says, as we have PMBOK for PMP by PMI, do we have any official book by PMI for ACP certification as well? And this is a brilliant question because if you're just starting off for your preparation of the ACP, right, Agile Certified Practitioner, that is, you might not know what books to refer to because PMBOK, it's quite famous, PMP is quite famous, ACP is, picking up, not as famous as PMP, of course. But yes, to cut the answer short, there is actually a book by PMI. It is called the Agile Practice Guide. I'll share a link, the Amazon affiliate link, if you want to buy it, in the description itself. We have several videos on Agile as well. So I'll share a link to the entire playlist that can help you prepare for your ACP exam. But let me also share the PMI website itself. This is where it talks about PMI ACP exam reference materials. And this is the book that I just mentioned, the Agile Guide. This is by Project Management Institute themselves. So you can definitely go for this book. There are other books that are listed here. I'll drop a link to some of these books in the description below. You can check that out. Also, we have done several interviews and with those that are already ACP certified. So I'll drop one or two links of those interviews as well in the description below. Those are the people that have already cleared their ACP exam, and they will give you tips on how you can prepare and clear your PMI ACP. So all the best with that. I hope you found this video helpful. Smash that like button if you did. Like, share, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.